What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here are the top 5 reasons why you need to buy the InkCase Ivy. The number 5th reason is that this case is a rugged case. You heard me right. This case is a rugged case. You heard me right. Again I tell you, this case is a rugged case. This gives you full protection. If you're using iPhone, you see, let me throw the iPhone on this. Amazing protection. This case is a fully rugged case. You are not compromising anything. Number 4 is the photo frame. As you can see, my photo, I can use my photo or anything else. So I want my super friend photo, or I can just, for example, like I can where is go, I can send a new photo. For example, I can use a pattern, I can use anything I want. I can use my name, but I want to use my photo, this one. I can use as a photo frame. I can multiple photo I can add here, so it will come in layers. You see, this is me, this is your Jimmy Geek. And number 3 is the home placement, the name placement. You can use a name placement to show the world this phone belongs to you. I was using this case in the train. Everyone, wow, what is that case? You tell me what is that case? I say, this is the InkCase Ivy. As you can see, here's my name placement. Literally my name placement. I can place whatever I like. And number 2 is the reminder and calendar. For example, the reminder, okay, the reminder what I have to do in a day, what I have to buy, what I have to do. This is the same reminder of the iOS, which is amazing. And number 2 still also the calendar. I can see my appointment, okay, as you can see. Can you see or not? So on April 5, I am going to have breakfast at Akia. Watch the movie Us. Did anyone watch the movie Us? It's very scary. I heard that. I'm going with my wife on a date, okay? Because once a month I go, because my job is like very hard. I work in an airport every day. I go. It takes me 1.5 hours to commute, 1.5 hours to get to airport, 1.5 hours to get home. So 3 hours I just spend in traveling. So I work. Literally only one holiday I get. So normally I try to go like 1 month, 2 time outside with my wife. So upcoming April 5, I'm going to watch a movie. First I want to have the breakfast. I love the western hash brown breakfast, which is the best western hash brown breakfast in Hong Kong. Even it's cheap. And I'm going to watch the USA movie, and then I'm going to eat the California spelling is wrong, California Pizza Kitchen. And then let's see what's down there. Okay, then nothing. Okay, April 25, I'm going to eat the Jollibee, a Philippine fast food, and go to shopping. I can look everything without opening the phone. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? Okay, I have to cancel my share sub-skill. Everything is in front of me. This is amazing. Amazing. So the number 1 is the always on clock. Okay, let me show you now the number 1. Where is the number 1? Let me show you. This is the, you see 1024 is going to become 1025. This is the always on clock. Do not tell me that you have a always on screen. It still consume battery. It still, you see, it become 25. It still consume battery. This is the best always on, clock on a case, on a phone I can get. This is a 2.3-inch display. You have mirror e-ink display, which do not damage your eyes. So this was the top 5 reasons why you should buy the InkCase Ivy. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.